What's up YouTube? In today's video, we are going to learn how to make miniature videos like this by following easier steps and a single prompt and absolutely using free AI tools. Let's have a look at this Instagram user who already gained 72,000 followers within just only 123 posts, and all of the videos are just these miniature videos. So as you guys can see, getting this kind of thousands of followers by posting absolutely nothing, just these miniature videos that can be generated by a very simple prompt and absolutely free AI tools. So you can also make this kind of videos and posting them into different social media platforms. You can generate followers like this within a very short time. So these are exactly what we will be making today. So without wasting time, let's head over to the main process. First, you need the prompt. So here I have a master prompt. This prompt has two parts. First, we need to generate the topics and then we need to generate the clip. Select the first line, this one, just copy this and go to ChatGPT. So we will be heading to ChatGPT. And here just paste your prompt that you just copied and then hit on enter. Now ChatGPT will give you 20 topics of the miniature videos we are going to create. Here you have 20 topics. Just select any of this, but not here. Now you need to go back to the prompt and select whole second para prompt. Just copy this prompt, the video generation prompt. Now go back to Google again. Now you have to go to Google Flow. Just enter into Google Flow AI, by which you can generate 5 free videos per month. Here, take a new project into the chat box, paste our prompt. Now before hitting generate, you need to do some changes. As you can see here, we have the object input. Both these places, you have to put the object name or the title from here, any of the 20 topics. And also you have to keep the settings. So you can select any of these, but I will be selecting short ratio. So just select short ratio for the video generation and select the output amount. So I'll be just selecting one output and select Omni Flash, not any other model. Select Omni Flash and then hit on save. Now you need to put the object name. So I'll be selecting this one, Vintage Radio. Select this one and then go back to Flow and paste your object here. Paste it here and then also paste it here, and now hit on generate. Now Google Flow will start to generate and you have to hit the approval button. So hit on approve. Now wait for a little while. Google Flow generates our video. As you can see, it has started to generate the video. Now as it being generated, let's go to a new tab and go to Flow AI again. Take a new project and paste the same prompt here into the chat box. And just like the same process, I'll be selecting another topic, this old toy robot. Go back to Flow and insert the topic name here, also in this box, and then selecting the settings, hit on generate. We have our first video ready. Let's check out our radio video. Absolutely amazing. This is a perfect short ratio video. It also looks like you have edited this one, as there is a blurry background behind the video here. So also with the perfect sound effect. Just save the video if you like it, otherwise you can just regenerate the video. Let's generate some more videos following the same step by taking a new project, paste some more of the topic titles, check if our prompt is working or not. Now here our other two clips are also ready, so let's watch the clip. Let's check the other video too. So you can collect this free prompt from the comment box, also from the description of this video. So if you guys liked this procedure, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.